Hi, welcome back to Konkani Khan and Jevan. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more upcoming videos. At home, our lunch is never complete without a pickle, and for that, we have a large variety of pickles to choose from. But Puddigalale scores most of the times since they are not oily and so good to taste. So here I am with one more recipe, Ambadi Puddigalane. I have posted many Puddigalane or dry pickle recipes in KKAG blog like mango, gooseberries, lemon, hog plums and bitter gourd. Find the recipe links in the description below. Here are some fresh ambadis. One part I had already made nonche and posted the video too. Now I shall make a dry pickle with this. I have washed clean and rubbed dry with a clean cloth. Now make halves or quarters according to size. Apply about 2 tablespoons of salt for about half kg of ambadis. Mix well and keep aside. You can do this at night, leaving them salted overnight, so that next day you can set them out to dry in the morning. The ambadis would have let out a little water. Spread them out on a sheet or large plate to dry. After a sunny day, mix the pieces well, cover and leave it overnight. Next day morning again, spread out the pieces under the sun for the second day. Keep it again under the sun for the third day too if needed, since it depends on how hot your place is. Remember that the pieces should be dry and yet soft to touch. They should not be hard. Leave it to cool for a day. Next day, get ready all the masalas and a sun-dried bottle. Here are the ambadi pieces which I have warmed in a kadai with a little oil to ensure there is no moisture left. Chili powder, sasma pitto, which is equal measures of mustard and methi seeds, roasted separately and then powdered together. Hing and sesame oil. Always remember to dry your hands before handling them to ensure long life for the pickles. Heat about 3 tablespoons of gingerly oil. Switch off flame. Then add about 50 grams of chili powder and 1 teaspoon hing into the oil and stir quickly. I make them spicy. If you want, you can lessen as per your taste. Take care not to burn the spices. Remember, you have already salted the ambadis. Add very little salt if needed and a little more than 1 tablespoon of the masala. Mix all of them well to blend. Now add the ambadi pieces. Mix thoroughly and transfer to the bottle, packing it tightly in without any gaps. Now heat about 3 tablespoons of oil in a kadai to smoking point. Switch off the flame and let cool completely. Now add the cool oil to the pickle. Tighten lid well and keep in a cool dry place. Your pickle is ready to use after a week, though it tastes best after a longer time. Enjoy with a lunch of seetad, dalutoy, puddigalale and gabbo or banana stem dishes. The video of these dishes will be coming soon, so watch out. For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.